Have you ever found yourself standing at the edge of a swimming pool, debating whether to dive in? Remember that flutter in your stomach, that little voice wondering if the water is too cold or if you might belly flop, but also the excitement of the plunge and the joy of that first refreshing splash. Investing is not so different. It's a balance of fear and opportunity, a dance between risk and reward. In the world of finance, risk is like that deep end of the pool. It's everywhere, and you can't escape it. But just like learning to swim, you can learn how to manage it. You can decide when to dive, how deep to go, and when it's wise just to wade by the steps for a while. Risk management is the life belt in the sea of investing. It's not about eliminating risk, because that's impossible, but about understanding it, preparing for it, and using it to your advantage. Imagine you're in a car, driving at night. The risk is all around you, but you have headlights to illuminate the road ahead. Risk management is those headlights, casting light on potential hazards and helping you navigate through the uncertainties. Let's break it down. You might be wondering why we even bother with risk if it's so, well, risky. Here's the thing. Risk is tied to return. They're like siblings who sometimes squabble but are inseparable. If you want the chance of a higher return, you need to accept higher risk. The stock market, for instance, can be a bit of a roller coaster. Prices soar and plummet for reasons ranging from company performance to global events to mere speculation. But this volatility, this movement, is also what creates opportunity. Consider Sarah, a friend of mine who decided to invest in stocks. Initially, she was terrified of losing her hard-earned savings. Then she learned about diversification, a fancy word for not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading her investments across different types of assets, stocks, bonds, and even a bit of real estate, she reduced the risk of losing everything if one investment didn't do well. It's like having a varied diet for your health. No single food will cover all your nutritional needs, but together they make a balanced meal. Another powerful tool in risk management is understanding your risk tolerance. This is your personal comfort level with taking risks. It's shaped by your financial situation, your investment goals, and even your personality. Are you someone who thrives on uncertainty and can stomach market swings without losing sleep? Or do you prefer a steadier, more predictable return on your investments? There's no right answer, just the right answer for you. Let's also talk about the emotional side of investing. Humans are wired with instincts that helped our ancestors survive, but can lead us astray in modern financial markets. Fear and greed are powerful drivers. Fear can cause us to sell prematurely in a market downturn, locking in losses, while greed might tempt us to throw caution to the wind, chasing after rapidly rising stocks without considering the inherent risks. Successful investors learn to recognize these emotions, but not act purely on them, like learning not to flinch at a shadow. Risk isn't just a four-letter word that should be avoided at all costs. Instead, it's a key part of a strategy to achieve long-term wealth. By respecting risk and managing it wisely, you open doors to opportunities while sleeping a little easier at night. Think of it as climbing a mountain. The summit represents your financial goals. The path isn't always clear or easy, but with risk management as your guide, you can better navigate the rocky terrain and unexpected storms. As you tread the financial waters, remember that risk is an inherent part of the journey, and managing it is an ongoing process. Markets change, life throws curveballs, and your needs evolve. Staying informed, being flexible, and reassessing your strategy are part of staying afloat. In the end, understanding risk management is about more than just protecting your portfolio. It's about building confidence, gaining control over your financial future, and making informed decisions that align with your life goals. As you ponder this, think about the next leap you're considering in life, financial or otherwise. Approach it with the wisdom of risk management, ready to balance what scares you with what excites you. So go ahead, take that plunge into the pool of investing, but do it with your eyes open, your strategies in place, and perhaps a supportive mentor by your side, ready to help you navigate those choppy waters. Because in the world of investing, as in life, the best journeys are those where we embrace both the risks and the rewards along the way.